In this section, we're going to look at a family of three-dimensional shapes known as pyramids. A pyramid has a polygon at one end, and from this polygon it gradually tapers to a point at the other end. This is the center of the base of the pyramid. This point here is usually referred to as the vertex of the pyramid. If it's vertically above the center of the base, then we have a special type of pyramid known as a right pyramid. As with right angles, there's no such thing as a left pyramid. A pyramid is either a right pyramid or it isn't. This is another type of pyramid. We can see here that the base is a triangle. This is known as a triangular based pyramid. Triangular based pyramids have a special name. They're known as tetrahedrons. Here we have a pyramid where the vertex is not above the center of the base. It's a rectangular-based pyramid, but it is not a right pyramid since the vertex is not above the center of the base. The formula for the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 times the base area times the vertical height of the pyramid. The height is this height here, how far the vertex is vertically above the base. To discuss the surface area, it's best to look at the net. This pyramid is formed from a square and 4 triangles. The surface area, then, is going to be the area of the square plus the area of the 4 triangles. The base of the triangle is the same as the edge of the square. The height would be this distance here. Looking at the pyramid, this height is the length from the vertex down one of the faces to here. We can find a right-angled triangle containing this length. Drawing out this triangle, we can see that it's right-angled in this corner. This is the distance we're after, this distance here. This distance we can usually work out because it's half of the side of the base. And this is the height. So the surface area for the pyramid is going to be the area of the square base added to the total area of the triangular faces. In this case, we had a right pyramid. The 4 triangles are all the same. If we work out the area of one of the triangles, we can multiply it by 4 and then add to the area of the square base.